Hello dear friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am back with another great video. The BitMart exchange continues to create wonders. We can now make purchase where we want with crypto. How we can do this? BitMart now has online and plastic cards. It is really nice. In this video I will show you how to make purchase from any website using BitMart's online card. We can now make payments anytime, anywhere with crypto. It is really nice, dear friends. So you no longer need to send your crypto to your bank card. Thanks to BitMart card, we can now pay with crypto anywhere. Here we can see card. Whether it's magazines or gas stations, we can use this card to make payments anywhere. The first part is we can make payments even with crypto on our card. There is no need to convert our crypto to cash anymore. We can make crypto payments anywhere. This is truly amazing. Here you see both cards online, virtual card, plastic card and metal card. Plastic card price is $30 and metal card price $120. So virtual card is it is free. So I will show you how we can apply this card, and I will also make live purchase in this video. Also, dear friends, here you can see VIP levels, features, monthly transactions limit unlimited. It is really nice. And let's check for standard. Card application fee is $0.0. Yes, dear friends, first we need to log in our account. Yes, I logged in my account. So how we can apply this card? Click on BitMart card, click on Apply Now. Here write your name, click confirm. Choose here which card you want. You can buy free virtual card, plastic card. Here you can see price, also metal card. Fill in all these sections and click confirm. It is that simple. And now your BitMart online card is active. You can make purchase anywhere you want. Now I want to continue for my phone and also show you my for phone. Friends, here you can see my balance 28 USDT. You can see it is USDT crypto, not USD. It is USDT on crypto. So we go now BitMart card sections. Here you can see our online card is active. Click on this. We can see our card details. Now I will make purchase live with you. Let's say I want to invest money in the game. As I said, you can do it wherever you want. Here we need add the BitMart card details. I added my card, BitMart card details. Here you can check also it is correct, and click confirm payment, and still confirming. And also I need it is completed, you can see. So let's go our BitMart, and we see our balance $27. It is really nice. Now we can easily make payments with crypto wherever we want. This is really great. Also, dear friends, we earn cashbacks. Here you can see we earned 2 cents cashback. It is really also nice. I'm really glad we can pay with crypto so easy. I'd like to thank BitMart. Thanks to BitMart for providing these features. And I definitely try BitMart's plastic card soon. So gentlemen, that's all for this video. If you watched this video so far, thank you. See you on next videos. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.